Hey folks, how you doing? I'm open a 2016 Topps Series 1 baseball card. Is looks for the exclusive greatest great cards. It's like old sets. And this is what it looks like. And then like this. It has uprights. Back then we with naturals. Sometimes these are hard to get open sometimes. Let's see what kind of wonderful things we can find inside. So this is once again the 2016. Having a rule. Especially the bog me about you worth some money in the future. Who knows? God damn it. You really don't want anybody, trying to mess with these things. This is really incredible. It should be this hard. I had a hard time opening this. Alright. So we got a knife. But I don't trust me with knives, so I just destroyed the box. So this is what the other side looks like right here. Get a coin. I did get one. There it is. So what do we got here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packs. That's what they look like. Backside. Some of these players I really don't know. I mostly know players from the 90s, 80s, and 70s and 60s. Got a lot of time in my hands, see them. And it comes with whatever's inside there. Ooh, Milky Beans, Beckley's. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited about that. I don't know this guy at all. They got like Padre train separating. And then back there, a little thing. I'm gonna go through the cards that are Rocky separating. Well, actually, it's not Rocky, it's Ben. Okay, I thought it was some kind of Rocky card. Ever Lauren. Yeah. That's kind of neat card. I've never seen this one before. Williams shortstop. Kind of cool. Let me find some players. I don't see. Okay, that's number that pack. I try to make this video as short as possible. I don't want to lose you guys' interest. This will be the second one open. Oh, Chris Bright. He's with the Giants now. And a rookie card. Oh, that's awesome. He's with the Giants now. Rookie card. Celebration, come on. We're here to celebrate and have a great time. Got David DePrice, Derek Carnes, Sonny Gray. American lead, earn run. They've got a back-to-back. Ted Williams and Bobby Beard. Lucy Sivers, March 28, 2012. Major League debut. Who's been good pack so far? Let's find some players I know. Oh yeah, the cheater. Let's see. This is his fifth season. The little guy's like 5'3" or something. Trying to find players. No, okay. So far, the Chris. Pretty awesome. Yeah. Carlos Santana. That's cool. Oh, Sean Dulu. He's late to the Dulu guy. By the Dulu raid in the 4-2. Alright, find some cool cards. Papa and friends. Sluggers. One guy is with no longer with the pop. One guy is retired, and one guy is about to retire. Right, he's with the Dodgers now. He got released by the Angels. Oh, like a little celebration. Of course, you know what's going on. David Prince, rookie card. Okay, that's really cool. And it's got winning field 100 years. Trying to make out to the ball game. There's where's the ball? I don't see other players I know. I'm just gonna talk the cards I know and stuff like that. I'm sorry about the angle of it. I didn't have much control of it. Oh, that's the biggest. Oh, the biggest foul. Ooh, ugly face. Oh, that's the biggest foul. I'll keep going because I try not. Oh, God. I don't see anything. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Get yourself Chris Davis, Wilson Cruz, and Mike Trout. Chris Davis had the 41 or 42 second not getting on base record. Anyway, he finally got base. He celebrated. Oh, look at this, Fernando Bernales. That's cool. They got Hall of Famer. He died this year. Tom Seaver. He's from Fresno, California. Red Sox. Okay. So far, no. Try a little. Let me see here. No. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool pitch right there. That's cool. I like these kind of sports. You know, baseball cards like that. This one's kind of cool too. Let me see here. Rob Reagan, rookie card. Ooh, I got a bunch of cards. That's awesome. He's with the Giants now. Abby Witch, doing the first pitch. I guess he was a soccer player for the Mets. I mean, a soccer player, but she threw a first pitch for the Mets. I don't see other players I know. That's really cool. I got two Chris Bright cards. And one's rookie card. Well, that's a good picture. I like these kind of pictures. It's really cool. It's a really cool picture. Let me see here. Oh, he's gone. He's no longer in the majors right now. Birds. No, he wants him. This kind of cool card. Ooh, anything but Jackie Robinson is in it. Very cool. Doesn't matter what year it is. Debut. Some of these cards are just really sticky cards. Dickerson. I think he's with the Giants now. Back in the Padres. Having a great year. Albus. Okay. So for this video. Find some good ones for you guys. Well, that's a cool one. Ben. That's a great picture of him. I like these kind of cards. Zach here, Jack completed cards. These are National League average, yeah. And two more with the Dodgers. Yeah, two more Dodger, one Cubby. That was a cool picture. I think this is a little different style. I like that style. John Smokes. Very tense in this picture. John Smoke, Land Braves. In '96, a year after the Braves won the World Series, John joined the final season of his career, making his first card most popular elbow surgery. Oh, Babe Ruth. Very nice. The Big Benito. I've seen better cards, I know. Oh, look, oh my goodness. Got his almost rookie year. Christian, yep. The Padres. I mean, the Brewers now. I'm sorry, with the Brewers. I don't know what he got rid of him for. Yankees celebrating. Yeah, but the '80s were not that good decade for them. Oh, that's cool. Brooks Robinson card debut. Oh, this is the Tea Party bags. Great for long walks. Okay, save. That's kind of sticker. I've never seen this before. It's kind of weird. I think I lost most people when I dropped the damn thing. But I can keep going. I guess we'll. I'm very excited. I really get more cards coming up. Over here, no. So, what kind of baseball teams you like? This is a really good picture. That is Celebration. Come on. That used to be their song for the '88 World Series. The lost stars, the Dodgers. Carlos Cruz. A good, excellent picture of him. Bob Clements. Kind of what he looked like. Old fashioned, like 60 something. 1959 card. With the Pirates. 84 consecutive games reaching base. Ted Williams. That's kind of. Put it right there. Mike hit it. Oh, J.P. Howell. There's a Howell. Not too many Howells these days. And there's a player. Used to be Jack Howell, Jay Howell, Ken Howell. Okay. So I got 2 more regular pack and 1 special pack near the end. Oh, actually, this would be the last one right here. Last pack. Let's see here. Matt Kemp. I think it was with the Dodgers. Yeah, he was the Dodgers for a long time. Let me see here. Oh, did he got his card? Got a bunch of his cards. Nice cards. That's really cool. Got rookie cards from eBay. Blue Jay celebrating. Joe Peck. No longer with the Giants. Oh, Kevin Steve Priest. That's kind of cool. Oh, he's kind of shiny too. Ooh. Major debut, Ryan Howard, September 1st, 2004. Let me see here. No. What's kind of that's the last one? Future star, Jack Limp, Arizona. Right there. Get the bunch thing. So that's pretty much it right there. Future star, former Taylor Juggling. Lemon, and then the bonus pack with 1 card. Oh, that's really cool. That's really excellent. I like that. Breno, he did a screwball. These are more days about a screwball. It's really cool, shiny and pretty. I got here a Hank Kelly one. It's really cool. Little pen, that's a little pen. Yeah, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll do better next time. Hopefully, that's pretty much it right there for this card. Thanks for watching. Bye.